Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a spicy, saucy and absolutely irresistible classic, chili chicken gravy style recipe. Whether you are a fan of Indo-Chinese cuisine or just craving something bold and comforting, this dish hits all the right notes. Crispy chicken tossed in a rich, tangy gravy with just the right kick of heat. So grab your apron, hit that like button and let's get cooking. We will need 500 gram of chicken breast, 15 to 20 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1/3 cup of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some sugar and salt as per taste. For veggies we will need 1 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, 1 green capsicum and some coriander leaves with stems. Now let's prep our veggies. First we will chop the coriander stems. And then we will chop the leaves as well. Now we will take the green chilies and chop them like this. After that, we will take half of the onion and slice it finely and separate the layers. Next, we will take half of the capsicum and slice it finely as well. Lastly, we will add the garlic and ginger to a chopper and finely chop them. It's time to prep the chicken. We will cut the chicken breast in half and then cut each half into thin slices. We will transfer the chicken slices to a bowl and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water so that our chicken remains soft after frying. This process is called velveting of chicken. If you are using chicken thighs, make sure to add a pinch of baking soda while adding water to tenderize the chicken. We will then let the chicken absorb the water. As you can see, the water is now completely absorbed. Next, we will add some salt, half of the black pepper powder, sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and give it a mix. Next, we will take a non-stick pan and add some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we will add the chicken slices one by one. We will flip the slices in between and let it fry in medium-low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Now we will remove the chicken once it turns light golden. It's time to prepare the gravy. We will take a wok and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add the chopped ginger garlic, chopped coriander stems, green chilies and saute for 1 minute in medium-low heat. Next, we will add the sliced onions and capsicum and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. We will now add 2 cups of water and let it simmer. Then we will add the remaining soy sauce and stir it. Next, we will add the vinegar and 1 pinch of sugar and keep stirring. Meanwhile, we will add some water to the remaining corn flour and mix it to prepare corn flour slurry. Now we will add the remaining black pepper powder and some salt to the gravy and mix it well. We will then add the chicken and give it a mix. Next, we will add the chopped coriander leaves and lastly we will add the corn flour slurry and mix it well. The gravy is now nice and thick. And that's it. Our delicious chili chicken gravy is ready to serve. It's spicy, saucy and packed with that perfect Indo-Chinese flavor we all love. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tasty upload. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking!